So we're now back with the Matrice 4E, and we've just got the visible light because the Matrice 4E doesn't have a thermal camera. So we'll click on that. Now just below, we're going to have a warning threshold. So what we want is when the drone is flying along that green path, we want it to automatically detect something. So we're going to say, right, we want it to automatically detect people and anything greater than one person. So we'll click that there and we'll leave that as it is. But also what we want to do is detect a vehicle. So we're going to click on the vehicle and we'll say, yeah, we want a detection if there's anything over one vehicle as well. Now, what you have here is your confidence level. So at the moment it's 55, it's sort of basically in the middle. And you can decide what you want is, do you want it all the way down the bottom so it detects far more things, but it might not be as accurate? And you'll see there that you've got that warning that basically the lower the confidence level, the more detections you may get, but they might be wrong. However, if you put it up to a higher level, say 55, then or even 75, then it could miss some things out because it wants to be more accurate. So you're just going to have to balance out and see what's best for yourself. And then you've got your alert interval. So do you want it every 2 seconds, or maybe we'll just go up every 5 seconds? And we'll just change that there. And because we're using the Matrice 4E, you can choose your camera type. So do you want the wide angle camera? Or do you want to use the 3x camera? And none of this is really sort of zoomed in. You're just going to be using the native camera without any zoom. But this is 3x because of obviously the lens, etc. And you'll see that when we go up to 3x, the route gets longer and the time gets longer now to 5 minutes. And you can move up to 7x. Maybe you want really detailed. And what you'll find, that route there becomes a lot more. You've got a lot more back and forth. And now it's going to take 13 minutes. So I think what we'll do is we're just going to stick with the wide angle camera and we'll see how we get on there.